Since maintenance fees due to insurance are increasing in drastic amounts, do you think developers will stop building condos and or multifamily homes? Do you think it's better to buy into existing condo/multifamily communities since there should already be reserves built up versus buying new developments where there is none? Great question. So let's break that down. Maintenance fees going up due to insurance. Now, that's one of the bigger reasons why maintenance fees are going up right now, but they do accommodate for a lot of different factors, not just insurance. There's the upkeep of the common areas, there's maintenance in the future. All of the above get taken into account. But yes, right now, the large portion of why maintenance fees are increasing at such drastic amounts is because of lack of insurance or an insufficient amount. So should you buy into a new development or something that has been older and has reserves? The reserves with these condos tend to get blown out really quickly if there's such a big, unexpected, unforeseen expense like insufficient insurance. So should you buy into something that is new or is it pre-existing? The better question to ask there would be, what should I look for into buying a home that has an HOA, and how do I mitigate my risk when it comes to having these unforeseen expenses? And I think digging into a few questions for who the insurance holder is, what their policy covers, and a few different other questions that we'll talk about when you sign up on coreteamhawaii.com.
We've got a questionnaire for you in the description below. Let us know what your questions are. Somebody, Aiden, myself, Kenny, Derek, somebody from Core Team Hawaii is going to get on and answer these questions. We'll make this a series. You can ask up to one question a day. Our team will put our heads together to get that question answered. But if you're like, hey, one question is not going to cut it, you can't put a one question on a day quota on me, go to the website, fill out the contact form. That's when we can get one-on-one with you, get a little bit more explicit and nuanced with your questions that you may have. But if you're ready to participate in these one questions a day, description box below.